All right, we've just got this one in, and this is a 10 port multi USB charging device, and it is 415 watts of power going through here. So you can charge a bunch of different devices, and you can also charge laptops with this. So that is nice. We've got, if I'm looking at the specs, USB-C and USB-A, and it's got cables included, so you can go ahead and get a jump start there for your devices, and they're going to be little short cables. So let's go ahead and take a look at the unit here and just see what we've got going on here. So on the back, we've got a rocker switch, so we can turn that on and off, and then there's the power cord there. On the front, we've got all of our ports. So we've got USB-C and USB-A ports. The USB-C are all PDs, and two of them are laptops right here and right here. The rest of these are all quick charge USB-As. The unit does have ventilation on both sides, so there must be a fan in there somewhere. And then on the top here, we've got some slots, and you can make these as wide as you would like. And I'll go ahead and assemble a couple of these so you can see. All right, so we got 3 of these in there, so you can see you can make them pretty small if you would like, or you can make it a little bit wider. I have a switch device, which I can show. So if we're going to charge and you want to put your switch right in there, you can have the cable go in the back and pop it right in there on the top. This is a switch too, so you can make that as small or as big as you would like for whatever device you're trying to charge. Now, I would like these to be a little bit taller. So if I have a MacBook, obviously that's going to go underneath, but the switch was even a little bit tall for this device. This is mainly for phones and for tablets, but I think for 70 bucks, charging 10 devices at once and also being able to charge 2 laptops is a pretty sweet deal. So I'll leave the link below for this device, and you can check that out for yourself. Again, this is a Vine review, so I get the items and I review them and put them online, and that's for you to decide whether you like it or not. So check that out. But here is, just before I forget, here's the bundle of cables that it came with. So we've got 3 USB-As and 3 USB-Cs. So nice little bonus they popped in there. So check out the link, and we'll see you in the next one.